Assalamu alaikum. Now we move to another topic. So the topic is do while loops. It is also a very important. So do while loop is used when you want the code to run at least once. Okay, if you want to run your code at least once, do while is good for this. Okay, so the syntax of do while is here. I'm just right do. Okay, it's a body of do. Okay, inside you must write your statements. Okay, first this code will be executed, then you write here condition. Okay, in semicolon. Okay, first of all this code will be executed, then dot checks this condition. If the condition is true, it repeats. Okay, if the condition is false, you know the loops will be stopped. Okay, now I'm just write main function here, and I'm just write here integer numbers. Okay, I'm just write here do. Okay, here I'm writing statements and also increment and decrement. Okay, remember, don't forget this. Okay, so front numbers. Okay, here number will be incremented, and while now I'm just write here the condition. Okay, so numbers, if numbers is less than or equal to 10. Okay, so now I will just show you. Okay, it uh, printed. Okay, so if I just write here the condition false. Okay, so here you can see the condition is false, the code will execute it at least once. Okay, so now you can see here one is fronted. Okay, so do while is also very useful. Okay, I think for now it's enough, and keep practicing, and I will see you in the next time in the next video. Allah Hafiz.